What's going on, beautiful people? It's Courtney. Welcome back. If you are new, welcome. I guess I can't say welcome back. Let me know that you're new in the comments down below so I could say hello, welcome you to the fam. And today I got another slime video coming at ya. It's been a little while since I filmed one of these, and there's been some slime trends going around that I really want to try out. So these are all Instagram slime trends that I'm testing out. So these are just like really cool slimes and just different viral ideas that I've seen on Instagram that I thought would be really fun to try to recreate or try out the trend. So let me know what you guys think about this video. Please give it a thumbs up for more slime videos, and if you enjoyed this video, it really helps out my channel a lot and I appreciate it so much. If you could just take a second, like this video, and I think that's all I gotta say. That's what we're doing today. I'm excited. Are you excited? Let's jump into this video, and I really hope you guys enjoy. For this first DIY, we have clay mixing, which I've seen a new way people are doing this and I'm in love with it. So all you're gonna need for this is some Daiso clay, and I'm separating it into 4 pieces, just 4 equal pieces. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start coloring them. This is a great way to get whatever particular color you want. Instead of buying colored clay, you could just dye it yourself. It could be a little bit messy, but I decided to make pink, blue, purple, and then I left one of the squares white. So I'm just mixing it all up, as you could tell, and it's so crazy. Some of these Instagram trends literally take so much time. This one took quite a while just to look cute, and some people have the most amazing slime things on Instagram, so I can only imagine how long those took. So anyways, once they're all separated, I'm gonna start rolling them into little tiny balls, and I did 5 balls per color. So then I'm just kind of lighting them up like so, and then just going by color. And then what you're gonna do is add clear slime over the top of it, and then just start pressing it and mixing it, and I think it looks so cute and so fun. The next trend I'm going to be trying out is the super crunchy Scrub Daddy. I've been loving the sponge slimes out of Scrub Daddies that have been going around, but I've never made one, and I've also could not find a tutorial anywhere. So I have no idea how people get it so crunchy. So I tried a few different ways. First was just putting some clear slime over it, and this definitely was not crunchy right away. It just kind of smushed in. So then I tried to let it sit for a while, and once it sat for 24 hours, it was a little bit crunchy, but it was kind of dried up. I don't know how people do this. Please let me know in the comments down below. So this was after it sat for 24 hours. I added some glitter on top, and then I went to squeeze it, and here's what happened. So as you can see, not that crunchy. Let me know how people get these so crunchy in the comments down below. But then I went ahead and added some water to it, and it definitely was a little bit more crunchy here. Floral Foam has also been another one of my favorite trends that have been going around. So what I did was submerge my foam and then added some glitter to it. Now I mixed around the glitter. I think these colors are so pretty together. But even though my sponge was soaking wet, I don't know what happened. I don't know how you guys do these. Definitely leave all your little secrets down below, and I'll try to recreate them, because it was soaking wet, but I had a lot of trouble crunching it. It would not break apart easily at all, so I just kept trying to resubmerge it, and it didn't really help that much. So I don't know, leave your secrets down below, and maybe I'll retry this in the future. Now this last trend is shaving foam mixing with super colorful shaving foam. So you need a piping bag for this and like a little nozzle on it. So this was another trial and error. That seems like the theme of this video. So I think this would work better with gel food coloring, and at first I went in and added like a lot of shaving foam, but what I would recommend that I found worked best is adding in a little bit of shaving foam and all the colors you want to use, kind of swirl it around on the edges of the bag, and then go ahead and fill up your bag with the rest of the shaving foam. That worked quite well, but then I'm just taking some clear slime and piping it over it, and I think this is just so pretty and so satisfying. I absolutely love this. It was a little bit messy, like working with the piping bag, but I think the colors are so pretty, and then I just went in and mixed it at the end, but I just think this is so satisfying. I don't know, there's something about it. I just am obsessed with doing this now. Alright, those were the slime trends that I found and came up with. Let me know which one was your favorite, and if there are other slime trends that you've seen going around that I haven't done and you want to see them done, let me know in the comments down below, and I will definitely check them out, try them out for you, do all the testing, all that good stuff. Thank you so much for watching this video, especially if you made it like all the way. Like, we're at the very end of this now. So if you made it to the end, you're part of my hashtag super squad. Leave that in the comments down below and it will be our little secret. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you very soon. Bye!